My name is Mohammed Tabish Shamim.
My name is Sushma.
Hi, I am Gaurav Bothra.
I got associated with Mobel Enterprise as in I went to buy a sofa set from them, but somehow I got introduced by Mr. Arun Biani, the owner of the Mobel group of company, and he gave me a proposal regarding the interior work which they are doing.
We wanted to get this room designed, so we were thinking about whom to go to and where to approach, how to go about it. So we had contacted many people and we came up with different names. But then because we had already got a furniture in a hall made by Mobel, so we thought that we should pay a visit to Mobel and see how the things go about.
Able to know about Fover since we bought a new house. So my wife was searching for some interiors. So she happened to just drop in at Fover. She liked the entire concept which they explained to her. Budget was also a main thing, the budget was also reasonable enough. So we opted, after due diligence, we opted for Fover.
I got my bedroom furniture got done by Mobile Enterprise, and I'm very happy with the services they provided and the furnitures they made for me. I got really impressed, and after seeing his presentation and everything, and after having a good conversation with him, I gave him this opportunity of doing the interior work of my bedroom. And to be very frank, I'm very satisfied with his services. And the best part about him is that he is being the owner of the company, he attends you personally. That is a very rare thing to notice in this industry, and which I'm very grateful to him. He was there right from the beginning, right from day one. He was there listening to all my complaints and attending to all my problems and everything.
When we went there, we saw somehow everything fell into place, and then the room was made. And I would say that we are pretty satisfied with what we got. I'm very happy. This is my son's room, and he stays in Delhi. And he was also very happy to see the final output.
They showed me the entire 3D plan, and I happened to, actually like it. But I was not very sure what they will be able to do it or not, or there were apprehensions at the beginning, And finally, it took around 6 to 7 months. But finally, I'm seeing everything out here. I'm more than happy with the way they have executed the entire stuff. I like the entire thing which they did it, and I'm pretty happy with. I never expected, the entire stuff would come out in such a great way,
I would definitely recommend people to get the interior work done by Mobile Group, not only for the quality but definitely for the prices as well.
We are so satisfied that we are planning to get another room made maybe in a year or so, and we would want the Mobile to do the needful. We are very happy. We are very happy.
The team, and best wishes and cheers for the future.